lunch nila, aside from dun sa branch nila sa Shaw Boulevard. Sorry, may dogging tumatahol sa background. Ito-try namin yung halo-halo nila kasi trending eh. Tignan namin kung masarap ba, kung pasado ba siya, or worth the hype ba siya. Tignan nyo naman, ang daming pila dito. Ayan. Ayan sila. Nandun na sila, Lance, P, and Posh. Tapos, at sa other side, may mga pumila din doon na, yung mga parang doon sumakain yung iba. Mamaya mapakita ko sa inyo kung paano sila siksikan. Ayun. So, I'm excited. Hindi sa halo-halo. Presidential yung in-order namin. Halos lahat ganun. 175 pesos. Pakita ko mamaya. So, abangan nyo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Ayan, wala na yung dog. Ulitin ko ba yung intro ko? Huwag na!
Ay, apa tayo?
Ma'am Bernardo po. Dapat na presidential mo. Pangalan mo. Okay. Isa lang po yung naka-attend. Sorry ma'am.
Ayan. Cash basis.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Cash lang kayo ate, wala kayong card. Gcash wala.
Soon ba magkakaroon?
Yes po, processing na po.
Ah, that's good. Kasi paano yung mga walang dalang cash?
Kaka-open lang namin ma'am yung 3.
August 3? Ah, hinabol nilang August month. August 4 kasi, di ba?
Sino si Beba?
Yung lola po ng
Pwede ko bang makilala si Aling Bebang ate? Siya rin. I know that.
Thank you po, tawagin na lang po.
Yung presidential yung bestseller niyo ate?
Ate, yung sa Royal halo-halo ba? Meron
That
ba?
one, the purple one.
Meron ba kay Royal na walang gold?
Excited because they have like ube inside.
I know, right? I want the gold.
O yung halo-halo.
But it's kind of expensive, $4.98. Ano in-order mo?
Sangre halo-halo. Yeah, we ordered the presidential halo-halo. It's their best seller. Sangre halo-halo pala yun.
Presidential? Ikaw, anong in-order mo, baby? Bakit ikaw mo? Ay, hindi na kaya.
Puno na yung bulega.
I-order.
There are only 3 choices left today.
Ano?
So, presidential, halukay, or special.
Or special?
Turns out, I ordered the same as you did.
Presidential. You don't want the one with the 24 karat gold.
I have gold. I don't need to eat it.
I know, right?
Or the other dishes.
Hinahanap ko yung gold. Ay, wow. Oh! Ay, ano yan, be?
Gold plate lang.
Okay. Apat na presidential. Maghanap na tayo ng tatambayan para mabasag nito. Sorry. I mean, it's easy, pero later, nahanap muna kami ng pwesto kung saan ito matitignan. Karamihan din sa kanila sa Kabeba. Pero wala ng pwesto. Kumusta? How was it?
The ice is fine. Just like Razon.
Hinahalo mo ba ang halo-halo mo?
Minsan,
Ako hindi, to be honest.
kapag may time and space, kailangan ihalo. Kapag wala, bahalo na sa buhay mo.
Actually.
Pero bakit hindi mo hinahalo?
Ha?
Oh, bakit hindi mo hinahalo?
Hindi ko alam. Nasanay akong kumain na parang kung anong-ano ko tas ice and the milk. Oo. Oo. Hindi ko siya inaano.
So let's see on how you eat this.
Oo.
Let's see.
So, Tessa, bakit mo hindi hinahalo ang halo-halo ulit?
Ganun kasi talaga. May buwang kasi talaga. Hindi, ewan ko. Nasanay kasi ako nung bata ako na hindi ko siya inahalo. So parang nakalakihan ko na hindi like kakainin ko siya. Halimbawa, ito, ganyan.
So you see...
halo-halo straight yan na.
Oo. So this is how Tessa eats halo-halo. Very demure.
Very kind. Ano yan?
Very mindful.
Very cute.
Very demure.
Oo, very considerate.
Ang fairness ha, guilty yung wife niya. Banana?
Langka?
Banana. Alam mo, special sa akin ube kapag halimbawa halo-halo. Kailangan mo kung masarap yung ube. Mamaya, haluin ko siya for you guys. For you, I will make an exemption. I will make halo-halo, my halo-halo.
Yes, when you halo-halo, you should be very mindful and very considerate and very cutesy also.
Yung ano niya, ang ice niyang milky.
Yes.
Sweet. Pakalo ka lang. Ganun na rin yung halo. Ha? Open first. Oh, Indonesian eating halo-halo. So, this is your first time trying to eat halo-halo? First time to eat halo-halo? No? Do you have something like this in Indonesia?
We have but different ingredients, but similar taste.
What do you call it?
It's champur.
Shampoo?
Es champur.
Shampoo?
Es champur.
Es shampoo.
Or esteller.
Esteller? Ah, Esteller! Shave ice. Yeah, I asked if there's something similar in Indonesia with halo-halo.
Es champur and esteller.
Ice scramble?
Champur
Oh.
and esteller.
Sige, you taste it na.
I like it.
Smooth, no? The ice?
It's worth the hype.
Tesha, is it smooth as your jowa? Is the halo-halo as smooth as your jowa, Tesha?
I cannot. Tama ba? I cannot. Smooth. Jowa? Hi, baby. Miss you. Charing. Miss you agad.
Don't forget to halo-halo her, jowa.
Yo! How was it?
Good. It's orgasmic.
Explosive?
No, orgasmic. Oh.
How was it, madam? Punchy?
I like it. It's really good. I think it's worth the
It's better than his ex.
Definitely better.
You're not also halo-halo eh. Hindi nyo rin nahalo.
Kasi makalat siya.
Because I wanted steak and not stir.
So now I can halo it because you need to eat up some of it before you can
With halo.
you can make halo without messing it up, without making a mess out of it. I will check correct.
I feel correct.
Okay. Sige, kain na muna ako. Tapos mamaya kapag pwede ko na siyang haluin, ipakita ko ulit sa inyo. Pero so far naman, mukhang worth the hype naman siya based sa mga friends ko. Tapos ako din naman, in fairness yung shave ice na milky, nagustuhan ko talaga. Very smooth, just like my jowa. I hope you're not watching. Ay, nakasubscribe ko ba? Kasi tayo pinag-uusapan eh.
See how I described it for orgasmic.
I think there's space na for the halo-halo to be mixed. I'm gonna make it halo-halo only for you guys. Paano ba kayo maghalo ng halo-halo nyo? Ay, katanong ko, paano kayo maghalo-halo? Pag ganun? O pag ganun?
Depends on the ice. Dapat Tesha, yung kamay mo pa ganito. Pag ganun dapat. O diba? You do that.
Ganito daw, oh. Hoy! Hoy!
Ang galing, sanay na sanay.
Hoy! Hoy! See you later. Charing. Charis lang. Oh, I'm gonna try it now with mix. Parang may gulaman, corn, leche plan.
Pork?
Corn.
Pork.
Corn. Corn? Corn. Sago, ano pa, ube, banana. Iba't ibang kulay ng gulaman. Nata de coco. Ano pa bang meron?
Cinnamon. We have banana cinnamon and glass of blood.
Frozen milk, leche flan, pandan jelly, ube halaya, sago, mais, naga, banana cinnamon, langka, special makapuno, and Rice Krispies.
Oh! Tinignan niya po yung menu kaya
No, the menu is courtesy of you. Thank you for your beautiful photo. And ang menu.
ayun, pero nagpapalo siya. Hindi siya ganun katamis, diba? It's not that sweet. Perfect. Tara. Yung tayo sa akin naman.
Okay na?
Boy,